Hey, if you're watching this, you probably have a job, maybe a good one, at least on paper. And somewhere in the back of your head, you are thinking about something creative, something different that you really want to act upon, but you never really act on, right? That's exactly where I was, and this video is about what I did with that fee. So, I'm Ayushi, I'm a chartered accountant, I'm 23 and working at a Big Four in Gurgaon. And yes, I'm really proud of the fact that I'm a chartered accountant. Clearing CA is not a small thing, but here's what nobody prepares you for. You work so really hard for so many years, and when you achieve it, it's like there's this feeling that कि यार अब क्या करूँ मैं. सेम मंडे मेरा इनबॉक्स पूरा भरा हुआ है and there is this feeling कि अब क्या. And honestly my situation is a little different because I never had experience of college, while people of my age were figuring out their life, attending fest. I was doing articleship, okay, heads down, grinding. And during that time I told myself कि it's okay यार, एक बार CA बन जाएंगे ना, life will be fun. And then CA happened and life continued. And I realized nobody hands you the fun part, nobody gives you the now go enjoy yourself phase, okay? And you have to actually build that for yourself. And I had no idea what I want to do because I have never done it before, yaar. That was a strange feeling to sit with. And somewhere in between of all of this, there is this app called Procreate. I started drawing, okay, started making patterns, and then thought, why not just upload it on YouTube? Kya hi ho jayega? So I did, quietly, without telling so many people, without any pressure. But if I'm being honest, it wasn't really about Procreate. It was about what I wanted to do with myself. And there was this 1 hour where I will feel like myself. And I think a lot of us in our especially in our 20s, if you have been on a very fixed path for a long time, we forget ourselves, that what we really need, what we really want, right? And I want to be really honest with you before I go. I don't have a success story to tell. I don't have a before and after clearing CA wala thing. I'm 23, I'm still figuring out, and I still don't know what I'm doing, but I got tired of the things that I'm tired of waiting to figure it all out. So I just started imperfectly, quietly. So this channel, this is me starting again, going slowly. Maybe something will happen, kuch to ban hi jayega. And if you are somewhere between spaces, achieved something but don't know what's next, I think we'll get along just fine here. And one more thing, this is the first video I am recording, and पहली बार कैमरा के आगे बैठ के बात कर रही हूँ. आई नो वट यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे दिमाग में भी सेम चीज़ थी कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. बट लोग तो सोचेंगे ही ना यार, लोग तो जज करेंगे ही ना, हम भी तो करते हैं, दैट्स जस्ट ह्यूमन. तो फिर क्यों डरना. मैंने बस एक चीज़ सोची, क्या किसी के जज करने से ये फ़र्क पड़ेगा कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. नहीं ना यार, मेरी लाइफ तो मेरी रहेगी, तो फिर मैं क्यों किसी की सुनूँ, राइट? तो अपना स्टार्ट करो कुछ ना कुछ.